On April 13th, 1970, the Apollo 13 spacecraft reported a problem. Operated by Jim Lovell, Jack Swigert, and Fred Hayes, Apollo 13 was the seventh manned space mission in the Apollo program and was intended to land on the surface of the moon. On April 13th, 1970, NASA Mission Control in Houston, Texas, requested the stirring fans in the service module's oxygen tanks be turned on to address an earlier issue. After doing so, a sudden and loud bang was heard by the astronauts, followed by a fluctuation of electrical power. The stirring fans had evidently damaged wire insulation inside the tank, which also contained Teflon, causing an explosion. Communications with Earth were lost for 1.8 seconds. After emergency power was reactivated, Swigert and Lovell reported in, "Houston, we have a problem." The Apollo began experiencing several technical issues as electrical failures spread throughout the vessel, and fuel and oxygen tanks began depleting. The command module was shut down to conserve power, and the crew moved to the lunar module, which acted as a lifeboat in emergencies. Mission Control worked frantically to bring the Apollo back, using improvised solutions based on what was available to use aboard the ship. Rather than land on the moon, the ship looped around its circumference and sent itself back toward Earth. Apollo 13 successfully landed in the South Pacific Ocean on April 17th, and all three passengers were unharmed.